Hi, Kevin. You are a little late today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Emily. Yes, I'm okay.
Sorry, you look a little sad. What's wrong?
This morning, I went to the computer store on the corner.
Oh, that's nice.
No, I tried to buy a laptop. I spoke English,
That is good practice.
but the man speaks so fast. I don't understand.
I know many people speak fast here in Chicago.
I tried to speak slowly. The people in line, they laughed at me.
Oh, Kevin, I am very sorry.
I feel very bad. I feel shy. Maybe my English is not good.
Your English is good, Kevin. You are learning.
But I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn.
I feel nervous to speak now.
Don't worry. Let's practice together. We can use simple words.
Okay.
Let's talk about your computer. This is good practice. What do you do every morning?
I turn on my computer.
Good. I turn on my computer. What is next?
I check my emails.
Perfect.
What do you use your computer for?
I use it for work and watching videos.
Excellent. See, you are speaking perfect English. This is easy.
Yes, simple is good. Let's try one more. What about your sister? What does she do?
She used the computer for school.
Very close. Remember, for he or she, we add s.
Oh, yes. She uses the computer for school.
You got it. That is exactly right.
I use, she uses.
Yes, learning is step by step. You are doing great.
Step by step. Okay.
Don't think about the people in the store. Just keep practicing.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you, Emily. I feel better now. I will practice every day.
Hi, Mateo. You are very quiet today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hello, Sarah. I'm okay, just tired.
Are you sure? You look a little sad. We are on break. You can tell me.
Well, this morning, a coworker asked me a question.
Yes?
I tried to answer in English, but I made a mistake.
What happened?
He asked about our boss, Mr. Kim. I said he fixed computers. The coworker smiled and said he fixes.
Oh, I understand.
I feel stupid. I always forget the S. People laugh.
You are not stupid, Mateo. That is a very, very common mistake.
But I feel nervous now. I don't want to talk.
Don't worry. Your English is good. You just need practice. Let's practice now. It's easy.
Okay.
We use the simple present for daily routines, right? For example, I work here.
You work here.
Yes,
I work. You work.
good. But for he or she, we add s.
So, Mr. Kim, he works here.
Perfect. See? You know it. And my friend Maria.
She works here too.
You got it. Let's try another one. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. too.
What about Mr. Kim?
He eats lunch at 1 p.m.
Exactly. You're doing great.
It is easy when I speak slowly.
That is the secret. Take your time. You don't need to be fast.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel better.
Good. Practice makes perfect. Let's go back to work.
Excuse me, miss. You look a little lost. Can I help you?
Oh, yes, thank you. I look for...
It's okay. Take your time. I'm Leo, the librarian.
I am Anna. I am sorry. My English is not good.
Your English is fine. I understand you. What are you looking for?
I feel nervous. When I speak, people, they don't understand me.
I understand it's difficult. Many people feel that way.
I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are how we learn.
I want to find a book.
A book? What kind of book?
A book for English. Simple English.
Ah, you want a book for learning English.
Yes, I want to learn.
We have many books. Follow me. They are perfect for you.
Oh, thank you.
You see, you asked a question and I understood you.
Yes, I spoke slowly.
Exactly. You don't need to speak fast. Slow and clear is very good.
Slow and clear. I will remember.
You are doing great. Learning is step by step.
Step by step.
Do you want to check out this book?
Yes, please. Thank you, Leo.
You're very welcome, Anna. Good luck with your studies.
Hi there. Is this seat free?
Oh, yes, please.
My name is Maria. I live near here. You are reading an English book.
Yes, I am Carlos. I study English every day.
That's great.
But it is very hard. I study, but I cannot speak.
Why not? You are speaking to me now.
Yes, but you are very kind. Yesterday, I went to a computer shop in Brooklyn.
And?
The woman spoke very fast. I did not understand. I wanted to ask a question, but my mind was blank. I felt so nervous.
That is a normal feeling, Carlos. Don't give up.
I make many mistakes. People get angry.
No, not angry. People in New York are just busy. They speak fast. The secret is to speak slowly. Don't worry about them.
Slowly.
Yes. Let's practice. Look at the park. Tell me what you see. Use simple sentences.
I see trees.
Good. I see trees. What else?
A man, he walk his dog.
Almost perfect. For he, we add S.
Oh, he walk his dog.
Excellent. What about the children?
They play park.
Yes, they play. You see, you are speaking English.
I play, he plays, they play.
You got it. Just remember, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady.
I will remember.
You are doing a great job. Keep practicing.
Thank you, Maria. I feel better. I will try again tomorrow. Hello there. A beautiful morning in Philadelphia, isn't it?
Yes, it is very nice.
My name's Sam. You look very serious. Is that homework?
Hello, Sam. I am Jean. Yes, it is English homework.
Welcome to the community garden, Jin.
Thank you. I like this garden, but my English is difficult.
What are you studying?
The verbs do and does. I am very confused.
Ah, yes, that is a tricky one for many students.
I feel shy to talk to people. I always make mistakes.
Don't worry. This garden is a friendly place. Mistakes are okay.
Really?
Of course. Let's practice. Look at me. I plant tomatoes.
I plant tomatoes.
Good. Now look at that woman, Maria.
Okay. She plants tomatoes.
Yes, you got it. Now let's try a question. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Now ask me about Maria.
Do Maria... No. Does Maria like gardening?
Yes, she does. See, you are doing it.
Wow, it is easier when I see it.
You are on the right track, Jin. Just keep practicing.
Thank you, Sam. I feel much better now.
Anytime. Now let's water these plants.
Excuse me, are you waiting for the number 12 bus?
Oh, yes, I think so.
You look a little unsure. I'm Chloe, by the way.
I am Kenji. Nice to meet you. This sign is difficult.
I know, the bus schedule in Seattle is very confusing.
I want to go to the university.
Okay, yes, this is the right bus. It comes in 10 minutes.
Thank you. I feel bad. I'm afraid to ask for help.
Oh, why?
My English is not very good. Yesterday I tried to ask a man.
What happened?
I spoke, my mind, it went blank. I forgot the words.
Oh, that happens to everyone, even me sometimes.
The man looked at me strange. I felt small.
I am sorry. He was probably just in a hurry. Your English sounds clear to me.
Thank you, but I make many mistakes with go or goes.
Ah, the S problem. It's a very common mistake.
Yes, I say my friend go, but my teacher says goes.
That's right. It's simple. I go, you go, we go, they go.
I go, we go. Okay.
But he goes, she goes.
So my friend, he goes.
Exactly. You got it.
I go, he goes.
See, it's not rocket science. You are learning.
It's not rocket science.
It means it's not so difficult.
Oh, I like that. Thank you, Chloe.
No problem, Kenji. Look, here is our bus. Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hello, I want one coffee, please.
You got it. One hot coffee. Anything else?
Yes, and one tea for my friend.
Sure. One coffee and one tea.
My friend, he like green tea.
Okay. One coffee and one green tea. Your English is very clear, you know.
Oh, thank you. I feel nervous.
You don't need to be. You are doing great.
I make mistakes.
Everyone does. Can I give you a small tip?
Yes.
You said I want, which is perfect. When you talk about your friend, he, you just add an S.
So he likes green tea.
Yes.
I forget the S.
No worries. It is a very common mistake.
I go, he goes. I like, he likes.
Exactly. You got it.
I want one coffee. He likes green tea.
Perfect. That will be $600, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. We'll have your order ready in just a minute.
Thank you for your help.
Of course. Have a great day in Austin.
Hi, I have a room booked for tonight.
Hello, welcome to our hotel. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Anna Collins.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I found your booking.
That's great.
Would you like to add breakfast to your stay?
Is the breakfast good here?
Many guests say it's very good. We have bread, fruit, eggs, and hot coffee.
That sounds nice. Okay, I'll take breakfast.
Great. Do you need any other services today?
What services do you offer?
We offer laundry service, airport pickup, and room service. We also have a gym on the second floor.
Oh, a gym. What time is it open?
It opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m.
Nice. And can I order food to my room?
Yes, you can order from the menu on the TV.
Good. Can I also get one extra towel?
Of course, I will send it to your room right away.
Thank you. How do I get to my room?
Take the elevator on your right. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Okay, great. And where can I get drinking water?
There is a water station on each floor.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.